Rumi, and today the company decided to let both of our groups go. Healing at a farm.
A few moments later.
We're here, Mira, Zoe.
Everyone, this is Jinu. He is milking cows. And this is his farm.
Work on the farm. And first, we will go collect chicken eggs.
Look how professional he is at picking up chicken eggs. This is Baby. He's feeding the goats.
Don't worry, everyone. The goats here are very gentle.
So you two are here. Everyone is looking for you two. Wow, the goat is so cute.
It's my child, Rumi.
Mira, where did that pig come from?
Wow, it's so cute!
ABS. He asked me to look after it for him. Let's go see ABS, everyone. Wow, is this its mother ABS?
Yes, they are very naughty. I have to catch them and lock them up. Help me!
Look at Jinu, Mira. 1, 2, pull.
They did it! Look at that thing.
A few moments later.
Get down, Jinu. Your lovely friend is gone. Let's go catch chickens to prepare for dinner, Jinu. Whoa. Wow. Ugh, I'm winded.
Yes!
I'm flying! This is wonderful! You worked hard today, Jinu. Let me help you.
Okay, now I need to cook that chicken.
Great. Leave that to me. Let's go, baby. We've been here all afternoon.
I still haven't caught anything, Rumi. What should we do with it, Zoe?
Can't we cook it all, Ab?
Rumi, come here, help me! It's too big!
We got it!
Yes, look at the size of that thing. That was great. Mira, is she done cooking yet?
Hi everyone, this is my vlog. Just kidding. This is Mira's soup, and now we will try it.
Enjoy it. Oh. It doesn't seem to taste very good, guys.
Come on, baby. We're almost there. What are you gonna cook with this baby?
I don't know.
Hello, everyone! We don't know what to do with the giant radish behind us. Please like and subscribe to the channel to watch part 2. Bye-bye!
To my vlog. I am Rumi, and this is my cat. What smells like burning? Did you burn it, Zoe? Someone is not happy here, everyone. It's okay, we can do it again. Seems like today is Mira's birthday. Oh! Let's go to Mira's room, Zoe. Everyone is looking forward to it. Let me introduce to everyone. This is our Miss Mira's room. Now I will wake her up. The suspense is killing me. Do you think she's ready for us? What's wrong, Rumi, Zoe?
Say hello to everyone, Mira.
Don't you remember what day it is, Mira?
I don't know.
Today is your birthday, Mira. Then I have to prepare. Now let's go to Jinu's room, everyone.
Hello, everyone. This is our lovely Jinu. He is sleeping soundly.
Say hello to everyone watching Jinu up.
Hello, everyone. Have a nice day.
Next, we will go see ABS to see what he is doing, everyone.
Do you remember what day it is today, Abs?
What day is it, Rumi?
Today is Mira's birthday.
Ugh, my foot.
Girls will probably be a little sad for you two.
Romance and baby.
Joking. Today is Mira's birthday. You two get up and get ready.
Is today Mira's birthday?
What do you think Zoe is cooking today?
A few moments later.
Everyone, look at our beautiful Mira.
Hi, everyone.
It's Zoe again, Mira. Let's go see how it goes. Come see it with us. It's your clumsiness, Zoe. Now let's go see how my handsome guy Jinu is preparing, everyone. Zoe, you keep cooking.
You are so handsome, Jinu. We need to get ready faster to make it to the party.
Now I'm going to Romance and Baby's room to see how they're getting ready.
Okay, baby.
Hello, everyone again, Romance and Baby. How are you two preparing?
Let us finish the game.
We are preparing for Mira's birthday party. I will go to his room in a moment for part 2 of the vlog. Everyone remember to like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah. The dazzling light that shone upon me. You are the one that brought me to life. When I was lost in the dark, you found me and gently wrapped your arms around me. My trembling heart, it beats for you. Every single breath I take is for you. I can't imagine a day without you. You're my everything, my reason to live. You are my everything, my destiny, the one I've been waiting for, my true love. Even if the world tries to separate us, I'll never let go. I'll always be with you. Your eyes, they hold the stars and the moon. Your voice, it sings a beautiful tune. Every moment with you is like a dream, a sweet melody that plays in my heart. My trembling heart, it beats for you. Every single breath I take is for you. I can't imagine a day without you. You're my everything, my reason to live. You are my everything, my destiny, the one I've been waiting for, my true love.